pain was intense. It was miserable. It was miserable. I felt old. It just impacted on my whole life. I had severe degenerative osteoarthritis in both my knees. It was a shock. I felt as if I was in my 90s, having to use a walking stick to walk around. I couldn't walk downstairs in my house. Just going down that step about that big was just so painful. I'd have to hold on to the door frame and step down that way. I couldn't even walk straight down. I'm a teacher. I couldn't do PE with the kids. I had to get assistance on the trains and the planes. I couldn't walk on the beach. I couldn't walk on pebbles, cobbles, anything where it wasn't an even surface. I'd have to pre-plan wherever I went because I had to make sure that there were no steps or steep slopes. And was there a seat? I had to know how far I was going because I'd have to sit down before I walked back. So everything became difficult. So I had Lipogenetic treatment in both my knees, and I thought I'd have to go to America to get it done. But then I found you and thought, wow, I can get it done in this country. I saw Mr. Barkatali in Manchester. It was like being at the dentist. You walk in, you walk out. I walked back to the hotel. It was absolutely fantastic. I felt as if I was valued. I wasn't just there to have the procedure. I felt as if people cared about me. There was a little pinprick in my tummy, and that was it. You know, it was okay. You could feel that something was going on, but it didn't hurt. And I thought, oh, this is great. This is so much better than I expected it to be. And walking out, I could walk out and I didn't limp. I limped walking in, but I walked out. People were stopping me in the street saying, you're not limping anymore. Your face looks so much better. The pain's gone off your face. I'd had terrible backache. My backache disappeared straight away. I couldn't believe it. I just feel as if I've got my life back, and instead of feeling like a 90-year-old, I feel like a 50-year-old now. And I really appreciate just being able to do simple things. People don't want titanium knees. They don't want knee replacements. They want something like what I've had. I would highly recommend the Regenerative Clinic. They were excellent, very professional. Mr. Barkatali, his knowledge of joints is phenomenal. I can do things. Before, it was, I can't do this, I can't do that. Now, it's, I can walk downstairs, I can walk on the beach, I can walk down slopes, I can go on often on a train without needing assistance. The results are just incredible. I've got my life back.